What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day today. I know I am. It's beautiful outside. I'm having a good week at work so far, so hey, life is good. That being said, I wanted to jump into a video today real quick. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you might have seen a while ago I did a video on creating a binary clock. And so if we go ahead and launch a terminal here and I type in bind clock, I think it was, bind clock.sh, and we enter, you can see that it gives me this binary clock right here, and then tells you the actual time down here. So we got these first two columns are hours, and then the second two are minutes, and then the third are seconds, and these represent the digits in binary, the 1, 2, 4, 8, and so forth. I wanted to do another video, and if you know about me at all, you know I just like to goof around with scripting, and it's kind of how I practice and stuff. So I wanted to do not only a binary clock, but I wanted to do a clock that actually writes out the time for you. So I thought maybe we'd go ahead and just do that on camera today. So let's just go ahead and open up a terminal here, and we will cd into .local and scripts, and then we will vim, and we'll call it funclock.sh because it will be a shell. So now let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit here, and of course we're going to start with the shebang. So I will do vs, and that's going to give me my shebang and my little header up there at the top, and so we're going to call this a fuzzzyclock, fuzzy clock. So first thing we need to do is we need to start out with kind of a list of variables or an array of what we want the time in hours or the actual hours to be written out as, which is pretty simple. So if we do, let's say txt time, so text time, and we're going to put equals, and then we are going to put an opening parenthesis, and then inside double quotes we're going to have to do each of these. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, bear with me, 6, and we're going to do this all the way up to 12, because obviously there's 12 digits in a clock and clock time. So EIGHT for 8, 9, 10, 11, and then finally 12. So that gives us our array there. So that's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make sure I didn't forget anything. So that's the first thing we need to do. Second thing we need to do is we need to be able to print out the time. We need to use the date command to do that. But what we want to do is we want to separate them out, the hours and the minutes. So basically what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to have an hour variable, and we're going to want to have a minute variable. So our hour variable is actually going to be date. And then if you want to show just the hours, what you can do is you can do plus, and then do percent, and do I believe. Maybe it's not I, maybe it's, oh, what is it? Is it, sorry, here, give me a second to remember what I'm doing. Thinking it is I. Capital I. So we'll find out at the end if this works, I guess. So actually, let's just let's do this. Date plus percent I. 12. Yeah. Okay. So that's just going to give me the just the hour. The minute, then basically we want to do let's do the date, and we want to do plus and then percent M, I believe. So let's go ahead and check that. Date plus percent M, 41. Okay, yep, that's just going to give me the minute. So now we've got these two variables here. This hour equals date plus, and then the percent I, and date plus percent M. That's going to give me just the hour, and that's going to give me just the minute. But what we want to do then is we want to change this a little bit. So we want to call these again. So we're going to do hour and min again. And what we want to do is we want to, if it's like 1 o'clock, it's going to show 0, 1, 2 o'clock, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and all that. We want to strip that leading 0, and so we don't have the 0 there. So what we need to do is we need to do the dollar sign and the 2 opening parentheses, and then we need to do 10 with the hashtag, and then we do dollar sign, and then we're going to do hour. Wait a minute, I think we need to have these in that. So basically, and then we'll do space and close those up. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to strip the leading 0 off of the hour. And so then we'll do the same thing down here for minute, and we'll do 10, and then min, and then closing parentheses. So now we have our array of all of our hours written out, and then we have our variables for hour and minute, and then we have those then adjusted to remove the leading 0. So now basically we can get into actually writing what we want the script to do. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to say if, and we're going to do min. So if the time in minutes is greater than or equal to 33, so if it's more than 33 past the hour, then what we're going to do is we are going to just do hour equals 1. Else, we are going to, or no, that's not what we want. If min equals, so we need to do this a little, okay, so no, if min equals is greater than or equal to 33, then we want to look at the hours. So if hour is equal to 12, then hour equals 1. Sorry, I'm a little all over the place when I do this. So hour equals 1. Yeah, okay, that should be, so it's going to give our variables, then if the minute, if it's more than 33 past the hour, then, and the hour is equal to 12, then it's going to be hour equals 1, else it's going to be hour equals, and then we're going to do dollar sign, and we're going to do double brackets, and we're going to do hour, and we're going to do plus 1. So then it'll be hour plus 1. So it will say hour. Okay. So yeah, that's good. So got that down. So then it'll be hour plus 1, and then we need to to finish that if statement. Then we're going to do min, and do min equals do 60 minus min. So that's what the min is going to equal. 60 minus min, adverb. So we're going to have the adverb be, we'll say till. So, so if it's over 33 and the hour, so it's going to give us the hour, and then it's going to say 60. It's going to be the adverb of till. So it's going to say, if it's over 33 minutes after the hour, it's going to say like, 20 minutes till the next hour. Else, else we're going to have adverb equal after. Okay. So if it is, okay. So this will say till if we're more than 33, otherwise it'll say after if it's not. Okay. So we're good there. So, and then we need to 5. So that takes care of that. So basically what we have is our variables for times, or our array of times up here. Then we have our variables for the hour and minute. Then we have those adjusted to remove the leading zero. And then we have it checking to see if it is more than 33 minutes past the hour. If it is, and if the hour is equal to 12, then it's just going to say hour is 12. Else the hour equals 1, or then the hour equals 1, which is just whatever hour it is. Else it's going to say hour equals and then hour plus 1, so it will say hour, and then, so if it's more than 33 minutes past the hour, it'll say, like, if it's 3 o'clock, it'll say 4 hours, and then the adverb it'll use is till. So, I hope that makes sense. Now we're going to do another variable here. We're going to say text, no, not time, we already have that. We'll say text hour. And this is actually how we're going to decide which one of these hours it is, because when it pulls the hour here, it's got to be able to correlate it with one of these up here. So text hour is going to be equal to, and we're going to do txt time. So text time, and then in square brackets inside we will do hour, and then square bracket, and then curly bracket. And that should correlate those two, so the text time and then the hour. So now we need to go down here and start putting in some times for it to be cut off. So if it's like 5 minutes till or 3 minutes till or whatever else, so it will give us kind of a roundabout time, just an approximation of what time it is, like it is 10 minutes till, or it is 12 minutes till, or whatever, or 12 minutes after, or whatever it's going to be. So what we need to do is we need to do if, and then we'll do double parentheses, and if we do min, so if the minute is less than, let's say, 3, that gives us a little play with the clocks, because not all the clocks are going to be equal. Then we'll just call this written time. Then written time is going to be equal to, we'll just do something simple like it is, and then we'll do text hour, txt hour, OCLOCK. So it'll just tell us it is whatever hour o'clock. Okay, and then we'll come down here and we'll do elif. And we're going to do this again. Min is less than, say, 8. Then written time equals, it is, let's see here, just to kind of give us, we'll say 5 minutes, and then we'll do adverb, so this will tell us whether it's to or till or after, and then text hour, then double or quotes, and then elif, min is less than, let's see, what do we want to do next? So let's just do these in 5 minute increments. So we'll do like 3, 8, 13, 18, so we'll do 13, then written time is going to equal, it is 10 minutes, and then do adverb, and then txthrour, so that's going to give us that. And then let's go down and do elif min is 18, and then we'll do double parentheses, and we'll do then, and then written time equals, it is, oops, that's what it is. There we go, sorry, typo there. So, it is, let's say, 15, adverb text hour. Okay, so let's say it is 15 till or after text hour. elif. I know there's a lot of elif in this, but there might be a more efficient way to do this, but I don't know. I'm just figuring this out as we go here. I'm hoping this all works. I guess we'll find out. So then we want written time to equal. Let's see here. It's 23, so maybe do 20. So 5, 10, 15, yeah, 20. 20 adverb text hour. So time is 20 adverb text hours. So then we're going to do elif, and we're going to do 28. Less than 28. We're going to do... Oh boy, thank you for keeping up with me and just hanging out while I get this squared away, and hopefully this works at the end, because if not, this was going to be a big waste of time and this video probably won't even get published. So, that being said, it is TWNTY 5 adverb and TXTHOUR. And if we do and then elif, one more, I think. Elif min is less than 33, because 33 up here, we had 33 up here, right? Yeah. So if it's less than 33, then we're going to do time equals, it is half past, and then text hour. It is half past text hour, so yeah, that's good. And then I think that we'll do an exit too. So then we'll do else exit 1 phi, and then down at the bottom we need to call, we're just going to call echo written time. So let's go back over this real quick. So we have our variable or our array up here that gives us the hours in text format, and then we have these two variables that are going to break up our hour and our minute, and then we have those adjusted to actually remove the leading zero. Then it's just going to start basically checking the time. If the minute is, greater than 33, and the hour is equal to 12, then it's going to do hour equals 1. If else, it's going to do hour plus 1, and then we're going to have 60 minus minute, the adverb is going to be, so whatever the minute comes up as once you subtract it from 60, so whether it be 3, 8, 13, 18, whatever, it's going to do till or after. And then text hour, this is going to verify which hour written out, the actual digital hour, or the integer hour is going to be in text form, and so it'll check for that, and then it's going to start checking the time for if it's less than 3 minutes after, it's going to tell you it's whatever, and then 13 after, and then 18 after, and then 23, and 28, and 33, and so yeah, that should be good. So let's go ahead and write, and that's called fun clock. So we're going to write and quit. Oops, I need to leave insert mode, so we need to write and quit. And then we're going to chmod plus x funclock.sh. And so let's clear the screen, and now let's keep our fingers crossed and let's test funclock.sh. So we're going to do funclock.sh and enter. And there we go. It is 5 minutes till 2. Let's see, is it 5 minutes till 2? No, it's not. It is not 5 minutes till 2 at all. It is... What time is it? It is 5 minutes till 1. So what do we have going on with this that is having an issue? So we should be, let's see here. I don't know what the problem is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know what we did wrong. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we need to have 0 in here. So we're going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's write and quit. Let's clear the screen and let's try this again. Funclock.sh. There we go. It is 5 minutes till 1. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, I had the incorrect. I didn't have all the variables in there for the time, so that kind of screwed it up. But you can see here we've got it is 5 minutes till 1, and that actually worked. That's nice and all. I wonder if we could do notify send. We could put this in a script and have a notify send call it, and then we could do, let's see here, funclock.sh, and hit enter. Invalid number of options. Okay, well, maybe we're supposed to do that. Yeah, there we go. It is 5 minutes till 1. So you could have that come by through notify send, and just print it out up there. So, a couple little things you could do with it. But, that being said, we now have funclock.sh, which gives us the time written out in text form. And we also have bindclock.sh, which gives us the clock in binary form. So just a couple little things. Granted, they're probably worthless and not worth learning how to do, but again, just something that helps you kind of learn this stuff and learn this scripting stuff, and just something that's fun to play with. So hopefully you found this interesting and informational, and that you can get some use out of it. If not, I apologize for wasting your time, but I hope you enjoyed it. So that being said, you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless.